Mabuhay. Bright afternoon. Welcome to Sun Hotel. How may I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I have a reservation checking in today under Cassandra Ala.
Come back to Sun Hotel, Miss Alo. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you for waiting, Miss Alo. I see your confirmed reservation here in the system for an executive queen room for 4 nights, checking out on December 9th. Your rate is the pre-agreed 2,500 pesos per night. Is that correct?
That's right.
Perfect. To complete the check-in and finalize the reservation, may I please request a valid ID and the payment card for your deposit? I'll use the visa ending in 1029 that we provided during our reservation call. Your room is room 305, located on the 3rd floor. It offers a beautiful city view. Now let me share a few details for your convenience. Breakfast is served at our restaurant on the ground floor, open daily at 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. The fitness center and pool are located on the 4th floor and are open daily from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. The Wi-Fi network is Sun Connect, and your password is conveniently located inside the lamp in your room.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. And finally, if you need anything at all, you can always dial your room phone. Just dial 0. Here's your room key card, Miss Ala. To get to your room, you will need to take the elevator on the right. Upon exiting the hotel, there are elevators on the 3rd floor. Turn left. Room 305 will be the second room on your right.
Got it. Left, second room on the right.
Is there anything else I can assist you, Miss?
No, that's everything. Thank you, Stanley.
Our pleasure, Miss Ala. Enjoy your stay here at Sun Hotel. Have a wonderful afternoon.